2 for 2 on the line for Bambam Gamalinda. 12 points, 9 in the second half. And that loss against Pasay. So slow start siya eh. 3 points lang siya in the first half. And that basically was the ball game already.
Yes.
Ang laki na ng paon na lamang eh. Uy.
Oo. And oh wow.
Bagsak si Tibayan. Sorella.
And that's a big body. That's on the floor that crashed.
Visibly upset Michael Sorella.
Yeah, we gotta see that. Kasi kanina medyo merong konting ano na eh. Bigayan na sa kabila eh. Let's see this right here.
Boy.
Oh yeah.
Not sure what happened prior to that.
No, but before on the
Yun
other
nga eh.
end, meron ng konti. Ayun nga, right through the chin.
Medics, please.
Well, he's down. That's a big body guy right there, down on the floor.
I wouldn't be surprised if he gets tossed here. Yeah.
Yeah, it had
Disqualifying
everything.
Foul on number 16, Mike Sorella. Mike Sorella out of the playing court.
Disqualifying foul as expected.
There was that.
And
That wind up, it was excessive. Ayun eh, oh.
hindi ko alam kung makikita natin yung prior play kung may nangyari. Because something
14 foul for Jensen
had to
Warriors.
get Michael Sorella upset there.
The way that I observed kanina, parang a couple of plays back, merong mga, ano na eh, merong girian na nangyayari. And so even, I felt that there was even an instance when Marvin Janicio even got into it earlier, previous to this one. I was kind of surprised na, you know, ito yung nangyari.
And Tibayan still down.
Mabigat niyan. Hindi ganyan kadaling patumbahin yan si Jonas Tibayan. We talked about this earlier at the start of the game, how, you know, a big-bodied guy like him can actually take contact inside, pero ito
Mahirap kasi sa ulo yung tinamaan eh.
and from our vantage point, medyo nakatalikod si Sorella, so we didn't see how it really went,
And
but
there was the wind-up.
there was definitely
That's
a wind
actually a
up.
dangerous play if you ask me.